Fishing Planet promo codes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on Fishing Planet promo codes. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To start with, the first website for Fishing Planet promo codes is redeemcodetoday.com. So go ahead and open the website and search for Fishing Planet. You will then be shown with the promo codes for Fishing Planet. Simply copy the code and paste it further in Fishing Planet to use the code. Next website for Fishing Planet promo codes is medium.com. So open the Medium website and in the search bar type in Fishing Planet promo codes and you will be shown with a bunch of promo codes for Fishing Planet. And the third website for Fishing Planet promo code is in Steam. So open Steam Store and search for Fishing Planet promo codes. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be shown with all the active promo codes, so simply copy the code to use the code further in Fishing Planet. So these are the 3 Fishing Planet promo codes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.